Let me show you how to cleanse your scalp and cleanse your hair with one product in your kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, I'm Kenitha and welcome. This channel is about everything, how to treat your hair, how to care for your hair, how to grow your hair, how to also in there you will get some travel videos, you will get DIYs, also about DIYs, what you can do for your hair, all of that. If that's something that sounds fun to you, that you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate that. Today's video is to show you how I cleanse my scalp for free, okay, with products that you have at home. I'm sure that you guys have it at home, trust me. So I'm going to show you how to cleanse your scalp if you have, buildups, if you have dandruff. And at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you guys who are the winners for the giveaway that I did. I have already mentioned and announced the giveaways, announced the winners on my hair page, like I mentioned in the giveaway videos. And if you're not following me on that on my Instagram hair page, maybe that's why you did not see it and you missed it. And that was one of the qualifications. You were supposed to follow me on my Instagram. Also double check if you are subscribed to this channel, because you have to subscribe to the channel to be a winner. Know that even for me, that happens when I subscribe to a channel. I like the content, I subscribe to a channel, and then to come to find out, I am unsubscribed. I'm not sure how that happened, but it happened. So please double check for the winners to see if you subscribe to my channel, because you have to be a subscriber for you to be one of the winners. There's 3 winners. So I'm going to announce the winners at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that, so you guys can reach out to me and give me your information and we'll take it from there. Okay, to show you guys, like I said, I'm going to show you how I cleanse my scalp for free. When I say for free, well, if you don't have that product at home, that means you have to buy it. And it's not expensive. That's something that is versatile. You can use it for different things in the house. So I'm sure most of you, if not all, you guys have that product in your kitchen. And that is the good old apple cider vinegar. So the way I cleanse my scalp with apple cider vinegar, of course you will need the apple cider vinegar, some water, and a water bottle, like a spray water bottle. So for the exact measurements in this video, I did 2.5 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and 5.5 ounces of water, filtered water. If you're going to try this to cleanse your hair, make sure that you shake the mixture really well as well. So here and there, I try to cleanse my scalp, though I have been using a moisturizing shampoo and it does cleanse my hair. However, this time I felt I needed to cleanse my scalp really deeply. And if you do have a clarifying or cleansing shampoo, it does a good job. You probably do not need to do this. At the same time, I would be very careful about using such harsh shampoos all the times on my hair. Those kind of shampoo tend to actually strip the moisture out of your hair, so just be aware of that. This is why I opted for this option. Less chemical, more affordable, and not only it does a good job at cleansing the scalp and hair, but it makes the hair very soft, and which makes detangling a breeze. Actually, this is a shampoo that I use to wash my hair, and I will have everything used in this video link in the description below. And as you can see, I did part my hair in sections to make everything easy for me, so I would be able to get and my scalp. I did 6 braids, I'll say twists, 6 twists, and after I sprayed the apple cider vinegar in my hair, I sprayed from root to end, and then I took my time to massage my scalp just in case if I have really oil built up in my hair. And yeah, so after I did that thoughtfully, and I leave it in my hair for about, I did 15 minutes, but you can leave it for more because it was late at night for me, so I just wanted to wash my hair and my hair wasn't that dirty as anyway. I'm not sure if you saw, but I was going to do a hot oil treatment right after I did the apple cider vinegar, but it was too late. Like I said, it was too late. I said I'll do that another time. And I also have a hot oil treatment on my channel. You can take a look at it if you want to, but yeah, I will also have that oil link. But you can do hot oil treatment with any kind of oils that you have. And as you can see, my scalp was clean, okay, squeaky clean. Look at that, guys, look at that, it works. Okay, I know I look and then again, look at that. So in the mix of that, I'm like, let me just do a little skincare. I did a mask, so I'm using actually a white shirt, button up shirt, and to actually dry my hair because this cut is 100% cotton. And yeah, is it cotton or silk? One of them. So I said, let me just use that, and to not a towel, not anything else that will dry my hair out again. So I did that. So after I'm done, actually, yeah, I use this oil that I make, and I do have another oil, shameless plug, I do have an oil that you can use. I will link everything, like I said, everything that I used in this video in the description. So, and then I use the oil, then use the leave-in conditioner just to, you know, you've seen how I cleanse my scalp. Let me know in the comment section below if any of you do the same process to cleanse your scalp, especially if you don't have a cleansing shampoo, because the shampoo that I use, as you guys saw in the video, it's a moisturizing shampoo. It's not supposed to strip the moisture from your hair. So here and there, time to time, I need to cleanse my scalp because it's not a really harsh shampoo. It cleans my hair, but sometimes you really need to cleanse the scalp deeply. So in order for me to do that, I just use apple cider vinegar. It's natural. I don't know about it now since, you know, it was, you know, taken over by, you know, you guys know. But anyway, so just the apple cider vinegar and some water that will cleanse your scalp and that will cleanse your hair as well. So now let's get to the giveaway, the winners for the giveaway. So I will put the names on the screen. Make sure that you reach out to me, and also if I don't hear from you within 24 hours or 48 hours, I will reach out to you, because like I said, I have posted it, announced it on my hair page, also on my TikTok hair page. My hair page should be in the comment section. It should be in the description below, and I will list everything that I've used in the video in the description below as well. Okay, so yes, congratulations to all 3 of you, and I appreciate every one of you and my new subscribers. Yeah, this is how we do it on here. This is my second giveaway actually, so I thank you, I appreciate you. Let me know in the comment section below if any of you cleanse your scalp with apple cider vinegar, and what else that you use apple cider vinegar for if you have it in your house. Let me know in the comment section below. And this is it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like that video, please don't forget to like this video. When you like my videos, it push YouTube push it to more people. So yeah, I'm in a road to 1K, 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe to my channel and share my videos. I would really appreciate that. This is it. So if you again, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Like I always say, have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day, and I will see you next video. Bye.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here